This video tutorial I will explain HTTP request. We can imagine the internet is like a gigantic library and the website you visit are like different books on the library shelves. When you want to read a book or get information from it, you need to ask a librarian for that particular book. Now think of your computer as a library visitor and the website you want to access is the book you want to read. When you type a web address into your web browser and press enter, your computer is making a HTTP request to the web server where that website is stored. Now we will see how HTTP request works. The step 1 is request. Your computer sends a message to the web server saying, hey, I want to see the contents of the book, which is located at www.example.com. And book is equivalent to website in computer world. The second step is web server response. The web server acting as a helpful librarian receives your request and goes to fetch the book you asked for. In computer world, book is equivalent to website. The third step is delivery. The web server then sends the book pages back to your computer, which your web browser displays on your screen. Book pages are equivalent to website's data in the computer world. So in a nutshell, an HTTP request is like politely asking for a specific book in the library and the web server which is acting as a librarian which provides you with the book's content so that you can read it on your computer. So HTTP request is the fundamental communication process that happens every time you visit a website or click on the link in online. Your computer asks, the server fetches, and you get to read or interact with the web page. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.